Hello everyone, this is your boy Solomon from Crucial Media again, yet into another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make you can connect your RJ45 onto a network cable so that you can make it yourself without paying any money. But before we dig into that video, please consider subscribing onto our YouTube channel and also consider liking, sharing and commenting onto our YouTube videos. Okay, let's dig into the video. So in this case, we shall need a few tools or things so as to connect our RJ45 to a network cable or Ethernet cable. We shall need a clipping tool with 3 ports, as you can see. Even if it is a 1 port, there is a what we call 80p, then 4p, then 6p, but mostly we are focusing on 80p. So this is the clipping tool we need. It can help us to cut the cable and to trim it. And again, we need RJ45 connector so as to connect it onto our network cable. This is the network cable or Ethernet, so as to get results like this. We also need tools like cable tester so as to test the connectivity of our cable at the end to see whether our connectivity has worked. The cable tester, as you see it. So let's start and you see how we can go about this. So here we trim our cable like this. We need to eliminate this, the middle plastic. Okay. Then we need to separate these colors or to unfold the cables first before we fold the color coding. Unfold them, we straighten them like this so as to remove the foldings from our thin cables. So this type of cable, it is TIA568B. So the color coding for this Ethernet cable or network cable is supposed to start with small o, that is this orange with script whites. Then it goes with capital B, that is the orange. You hold them like this. It doesn't need you to be an expert, but just following it like this. Then next we shall need to get the small G. Then we need to call for small b. This is the B stroke white. Then we need to call for capital G. This is green. Yeah, like this. Hold them firmly so that during the connecting them with RJ45 connector, it doesn't disturb you. So then we need BR, small BR. This is brown. So again we need BR, capital BR. This is the brown. So this is the color coding of it. Yeah, this is it. So we need to get our clipping tool so that we trim out the trash, hold like this so that we shorten them like this. So we need our cable connector, this RJ45 connector. this RJ45 connector. Then you have to take note of the first connect or how you connected it, because at times people make error. This is where the crossover comes from. Once the color hand side changes, because here it starts with orange when the connector is up, so don't make a mistake and put it down like this, you bend it. No, because when you bend it, it will be a crossover. It will not connect, it will be a crossover. That will not be an Ethernet cable, it will be a crossover. So make sure you read your codings well, the color coding well, and then you fold, you put these cables inside like this. Yeah, you make sure they have entered. So after you connect this clipping, the connector, you need to put this connector into the clipping tool where there is 8p, like this, and it comes to end like this. It has to come up, the connector needs to come out a little bit so that this silver clip can clip the clipping tools, or like the way you see. Can you see this? Can you spot this? There are those short like metallic. We push them inside using this tool. Push them like these ones, yeah, like this. You see, we push them inside using this silver metal. So we press, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay, we are done with clipping or making our RJ45 cable connection. So this is it. So we need to check well. Yes, this is the well coding. A small O, capital O. Then is the small B. Then the small B, capital B. Then small b, capital B. Then small BR, capital BR. Okay, then can we get our connector, sorry, the testing tool, so as to test our cable connectivity. So you put this node into this tool like this, then we need to put this into the master or the main testing tool. So we need to press and see. If it says connected, the connection is successful. Then if it says crossover, then there is one color which is misplaced into the other color. So we press, so it shows connected. That means we have successfully made or created or connected our RJ45 clip or connector to our Ethernet cable. So we have made it. So this is the Ethernet cable, that's how we make it, and we have tested it. It shows connected. So you need to get a few tools so that you make it yourself or you learn. This is an educative video. Okay, put our tools back. So that's it. Cut. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. This is your boy Solomon from Kusol Media again. Don't forget to subscribe onto our YouTube channel. Comment, like, and share our videos, educative videos. We are still making more videos up like this, teaching you how to do many things in life. So this is our cable, we have made it, and the tools we've used: the clipping tool, RJ45 connector, and cable tester device. I think we are through. Thank you for watching my videos. Goodbye. See you again in another video.